Hey, this is Spencer Sue, your Bay Area real estate agent, and welcome to the Lotus at UrbanOak in the southern parts of San Jose. We're going to be touring several homes, so depending on your interest, feel free to skip or rewind to what you may be interested in. If you're brand new to my channel, as I mentioned, my name is Spencer Sue and I'm a Bay Area real estate agent, and I'm here putting out content to be able to be the very best resource for those that are looking into the Bay Area as a real estate destination for you. When it comes to new construction properties or pre-owned homes, there is no cost or downside with using a realtor like myself to be able to help you negotiate for you and also review the paperwork. However, I do need to go with you for the very first time to ensure you are properly registered. So if you like these homes or any other homes in the Bay Area, do not go on your own. Contact me below and let's review all of the best options for you, and we'll schedule a bunch of home tours together in a row. Before you do anything else, make sure you subscribe to this channel as I'm going to be putting out new content all the time. But today, we're going to be taking a look at several great new construction starter homes here, starting at $990,000 and goes up to $1.33 million. Here is the smallest of all of the units. It's a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage sitting on 1,291 square feet. Nothing's on the ground level, but as you come up, you'll have your half bath here, and you have this expansive communal space. This actually has one of the largest kitchens of all the units. It has a nice patio on the side. It has a gas stove. A lot of these new constructions don't have gas stoves anymore, it's just electric. And this one actually has a pantry. Some of the other units don't have it. What's also great about these units, they all have an in-unit stackable washer and dryer. Now this one is particularly upgraded. You can see the design for the walls. That doesn't come standard. And here, as we come on in, you have the primary, nice walk-in closet. And dual sinks. Check out these lighted mirrors. Are you a fan of these? If so, leave it in the comments below with what you think and if it's worth buying those. Okay, now let's take a look at Plan 5. Plan 5 can range between a 2 to 3 bedroom, so it could have a den on this downstairs unit. And these are 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 1,690 square feet, and these start at around 1.193. Now the thing about Tripointe is that they tend to include a lot premium along with upgrades already chosen. So for the most part, you're not going to be able to choose anything. You're going to have to go with what has been already selected. So depending on your taste, you can see the cabinet colors, the floorings, the countertop colors. It's going to be case by case depending on the lot itself. This one still also has a balcony up top. You can see it has a great island. Once again, gas stove here. Here you'll see the walk-in closet. So it's great that all of these have walk-in closets. In the bathroom, you're gonna have your dual sinks. What do you think about the shower seats? Are you a fan of those or do you prefer a tub? Leave in the comments below too. Let's move on to Plan 6. Now these start at $1.15 million. Now this is the most popular layout and it is sold out for now. However, if you're interested in this, hopefully you can choose other ones, but you'll kind of see a little bit of why this is the most popular. It's a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, 1,774 square feet. If you saw the downstairs, fantastic for guests, fantastic for renting that out. Take a look at this balcony, much larger than some of the other ones that we have seen. And take a look at this layout. The kitchen is at the far end, yet you still have an island and countertop for quick bites. What do you think about this backsplash? Do you like this style? And what are your thoughts about carpets in these staircases? Here, once again, you're going to see in-unit washer dryer. They're all stackable this way. And what's nice about these units is that both of the units upstairs are en suites. Now the reason why this is also potentially more popular is not just because of the size and for the money, it's also because, as you'll see in this primary, you will have a much larger walk-in closet. So here you can see 2 separate sides, plenty of storage. There's so much storage for individuals. Okay, we're getting to the end. This is Plan 7. This is the largest of all the units. The way that it works is that half a flight of stairs down, you have your bed and bath, and this one will have a little patio up front. As you can see, it is fitted with AC, and that's actually standard across all of the units. This is 2,029 square feet, 4 bed, 3.5 bath, 2 car side-by-side garage, and it starts at 1.33 million. Now as you go up to the second level, you're gonna have the kitchen in the middle, and this particular one is actually fitted with a lot more cabinets on the side, but it's up to you. Without these upgrades, it wouldn't have all these side cabinets. Once again, still has a deck. This particular unit actually already came built with a hood. I know a lot of people enjoy that more than just a microwave up top. You can see it was also built with like this kind of office space setting where your TV would be. And as we go upstairs, you're gonna have your remaining 3 bedrooms. So you're gonna have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths upstairs. Here you have your dual sinks. You still got your walk-in closets, so that's what's really nice. They gave you the walk-in closet, and you can see the shower seat. Here you have your shared bathroom for the 2 remaining bedrooms. And what you can see and enjoy, look at these huge windows. So much natural light comes in, and they still have a walk-in closet. If you needed more space, you have additional linen closet here on the side. All right, so there you have it. These are the model homes for Tripointe. If this is an opportunity for you to find a home like this that you're looking for now, I'm here for you. Here's a great thing though. Right now, there's some awesome opportunities because builders are doing what they can with these higher rates. So they are actually overcompensating with a lot of different buyer incentives. Oftentimes, there is room for negotiation, and with the relationships that I have with these builders like Tripointe. So before I do anything else, I'm gonna put my contact information right up there. So don't hesitate to reach out. I'm so glad you're on this channel. Feel free to backlog, preview some of my other videos. I have an incredible relationship with all of these builders, so I'm gonna leverage that to the best of my abilities to serve you and my clients. See you at the next home tour.